Looks like it's leaking right from here. See, that's a little wet. That's a problem. That's a 12-inch one or what? Seems a little long. I gotta get a 16. That's a 12-inch one. Plies back here in a little bin. In the back down here, I got all my 12-inch supplies. I think they're down the bottom down here. And it's a long one. There's a 12-inch toilet. 12-inch ones. I'm gonna need to get some more of them. I'm running low on the 12-inch ones. I'll get some 8s. The 12s. Well, definitely an issue. Put a new one in there and try it. It's a little loosey-goosey there. We'll put a new one. Wipe all the water up and give it another shot. That looks pretty bad. I'll rust it out. Definitely wet. I think that was the problem. Wipe up all the water and flush it a few times. Alright, it's filling, but filling slow. Wipe it up good, make sure there's no more leaks. Nice and tight there. I don't see it leaking. It was definitely that supply that was leaking. It's still a little wet over there, but make sure it's all tight and everything. Yeah, that was definitely what it was, a supply.